All right, man, we on now. We got us a Dodge Stratus. It's a $1,000 car. What can you expect? Dodge Stratus. Very rough shape outside. This thing is in very rough shape outside. No hubcaps. I'm gonna try. What's up, YouTube? It's Vic, and I am here today. We are doing another vlog. I'm looking for a car. I'm looking for a car for sale. At Universal Towing. I was at one the other day. I didn't get any feedback on any offers I gave the guy, but I'm gonna take you on this ride today to look for a car. We're trying to find another car to flip. Still got the BMW, but we'll take you along with us and let's go. On the road again. We on our way to another towing company. That one, the guy was too busy, man, and we couldn't get in. He had quite a few people. In there. But yeah, we going on the other side of town. We're gonna go buy a few other ones. It's kind of rainy today. It's kind of messed up weather, man. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to that one in a little bit, but I just ain't have time to wait. I gotta find something today. Keep his money moving. I don't know what she's looking for, but
cars.
She's looking for
cars.
She's looking for cars.
I'm on my job.
And we gotta turn right down here. Screen something, yeah. Then we gotta turn left on Segrave. Segrave Street is Seagrave.
I'm glad it turned green because you sure we're not about to stop. It was so red.
At another tow truck company, it's a guy that was over there, and he overheard me talking to the people at this towing company, and I guess I don't know what kind of shop he has. I don't know if he got a mechanic shop or whatever, but he told me that he got some cars for sale. I guess they need a little bit of work, so I'm headed over there right now to go see what he has. He's still at that place. I guess he's getting a car from over there, but he told me to go to his shop over here, so we're fixing to go over here and check him out, see what he got going on. I'll be back in a minute. Hopefully I get some action for y'all at the end of the day. It's just a real slow day, but
it's raining.
It's rainy. It's a mess out, man. It's horrible. Yeah, people running red lights. I'm gonna just do like one deal with him right now, and see how. I'm trying to see what he got. I don't know what he had, but I mean, if he got something that's decent and his price is okay, I'm gonna try to do one deal and see how the deal go. See how the car go. I'm not gonna get more than one car from this guy, and then that it'd be a fucking. I get 2 or 3 lemons instead of one. But I don't think I'm gonna get no lemon. The car that I get gotta be running. I'm out here now. I don't see the guy. Guessing. What the fuck is that? But I'm guessing that this is his shop. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all what's going on. I don't think this had nothing to do with it. That's 348. Oh, it's gonna rain like a bitch. That rain coming. I gotta get in the shelter. It's rain coming. Alright, man, I'm gonna come back out when the rain go away and when this guy get here, so I'll tune back in. A place called Kaiser. Look for it on your phone. On the left. Yeah, he said it's on the left down here. He said it's another dude down here that sell cars. He said tell him Bruce sent you. Kaiser. But yeah, this man just had the nerve. Woods. Man, this man had a car that was, the whole side of the car was gone, and he wanted like $1,200 for it. Yeah, I don't know what.
You said it's on the left-hand side?
Yeah. I got one deal right now that I could go get in DeLand. It's for $500. I'm not really that crazy about it, but if worst come to worst, later it gets to the day, I'm probably gonna just head that way. I'm just out here right now looking at a few other things while I'm in the area. What? It says?
Kaiser Classic.
Right here?
Yeah. You don't have cars like we're trying to buy.
That's what he said. This
What's
what?
that place we came to before? What actual car lot? Oh, 800.
All right. So, but yeah, man, we on our way to D-Land to go look at a Dodge Stratus. It's a 97. The guy's asking 400. We got him down to, well, he's asking 800. We got him down to 4, and we're gonna go take a look at it. I think it needs some Freon in the AC. It's pretty clean. The outside, it's kind of rough on the paint, but we fixing to ride down here now to take a look at it. Hopefully, it'll work out. When we did go to this other place, there's a car lot, and the guy was he was not good. He was not a good salesman. He wasn't. I don't see how he sells any cars.
He wouldn't even come outside.
Yeah, he wouldn't even come outside. I went in there. Well, the guy that I went to first, who I seen at the tow yard, he got a mechanic shop. I went by and looked at his car. That's the guy that was giving me the crazy prices. One car was damaged on one side, and so he sent me down to another dude that was right down the street from him that he know that sells cars, and that dude wouldn't even come outside. He had me ring a doorbell and was talking through a speaker and just was kind of rude. And that's like, I don't even understand how people sell cars. I don't even understand how he sells cars, but I don't know. It's a lot of things I don't know. But we fixing to be over here in D-Land in a minute. We gonna take y'all to show y'all around this car and what this car look like. Be back in a minute because y'all don't want to see us riding down the highway sweating like she is right now.
I feel sick.
Oh,
I really do.
God.
I feel like.
All right, man, we on now. We got us a Dodge Stratus. 97 in okay shape. It ain't the best car in the world, but it's a decent little ride. Somebody for $1,000. It's a $1,000 car. What can you expect? Runs, drives. I'm about to go clean it up. Take some pictures of it. Put it up and say, it's how we living. I'm fixing to show y'all what it's looking like. Right here, as soon as I stop. As soon as I get over here to a stop, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. What the business is. I'm gonna show y'all what the business is. Dodge Stratus. Very rough shape outside. This thing is in very rough shape outside. No hubcaps. I'm gonna try to find some if I can. It's very dirty. We're gonna get this thing cleaned off. Hey man, it's a car. Automatic manual windows. These are automatic manual windows. What the? I don't know, man. I think this thing will clean up pretty good. You heard me? I think this thing will clean up pretty goddamn good. Let's look up under this hood. It's a little rust right there, but it ain't no biggie. All this is loose, but that ain't even no biggie. To somebody that need a car, run pretty good, man. Like something bust at one point in time. All right, man. There you have it. So we got us a Dodge Stratus. I'm fixing to go to the shop and well, I'm fixing to go back to Daytona. We're gonna drive it back to Daytona, and we're gonna go to the what is it called? Clean it up. We're fixing to go clean it right now. Get some pictures of it. I might think about getting these headlights cleaned up a little bit. All right, man, I'm back. I'm on my way to Daytona in this car, this Dodge Stratus, with no AC. I think it just needs to be charged. I'm gonna check it out when I get back. It might just need to be charged. I'm about to stop and get some gas. I got Wendy following me in the Ford Taurus right now. I think it's a pretty decent car. Clean it up a little bit. Try to get a little bit of something for it. Just need to be clean. I think it said it need an O2 sensor. It runs kind of rough. Like, you really can't tell. It's not really rough, but it does run kind of rough. Thermostat, cooling system. So I mean, it take a little bit longer for the engine to heat up, but it's almost impossible to overheat. But most of the issues that's wrong with this car are issues that ain't affecting how it drives from what I see. Trying to get up to speed. See how it's going on the highway. All the tires are pretty decent. Yeah, it's pretty good riding car for $1,000. Somebody get a decent car, they can drive this bitch wherever they need to go. Get the AC fixed, AC charged up. Be in the money then. Clean title, open title. No liens. Alright, we here at the gas station. I'm gonna pump some gas real quick. Be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and this is the end of my vlog for the day. My battery went dead, so I couldn't y'all couldn't see what happened, but I broke down on the highway. The car overheated on me, and I don't really know why. I think it was just low on coolant, because I got on the highway. When I got on the highway to drive it home to Daytona, it was fine. It was fine at first, and when I got on the highway, it just started overheating. I pulled over, stopped, and then I tried to put a little bit of water in it, but it was too hot. I couldn't open up the actual radiator. I opened up the reservoir, and it wasn't really that low with water. So I left it there, let it sit for a little while, and then I came back and added coolant to the radiator. And once I added it to the radiator, I got in it, drove it back with no problem, and never overheated again. So I guess it was just low. In the morning, once it cooled down, I'm gonna check it out and see why it was. Try to see what was going on. Maybe check the hoses, see if there's a leak in the radiator or something, or maybe it could be. I'm thinking it could also be the radiator cap. Could be bad. So I'm gonna check those things out in the morning. I'm gonna probably come back at y'all with another vlog tomorrow. I'm cleaning the car up and what all I do to it as far as getting it up for sale. But just give y'all like a last little walk around of the car. It's not the best car in the world, but it does have 78,000 miles on it. It was an old guy who had this car at first, and he barely drove it. I guess it was the first owner. He barely drove the car, and he barely drove it, and I guess that's why the mile is the way it is. He got it as his first car when he was young. That was like a couple years ago, and so he drove it on that little bit of time, and I guess that's where all of this stuff came from. He must have hit something here. The inside is in pretty good shape. The inside ain't in bad shape at all. You know, it just need to be cleaned up, but there's no like major rips in the seats or anything. The headliner is kind of messed up, but it'll make it. And that's pretty much the gist of it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, and until next time, tomorrow you'll see more on this video, on this car. Until next time, peace.